Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail Verification email not received issues. Whether you're creating a new account, verifying your email address, resetting your password, or confirming a security change, not receiving the verification email can be frustrating. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve the problem, so let's get started. First, check your spam, junk, promotions, and trash folders. Verification emails can sometimes be filtered automatically by your email provider and may not appear in your primary inbox. Next, make sure you entered the correct email address during the verification process. Even a small typo can prevent the verification message from reaching you. If everything looks correct, wait a few minutes and then check your inbox again. Verification emails are usually delivered quickly, but occasional delays can happen due to network congestion or temporary server issues. And that's how to fix Proton Mail Verification, email not received issues. By checking your inbox settings, verifying your email address, and requesting a new verification message when needed. You can usually resolve the problem and complete the verification process successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.